Maya? Okay, stop everything. Look at your hands. Just look at them for a second.
Okay, I'm looking. They're just hands, Leo. Why?
Because those hands are capable of the most ancient, high-stakes, geometric sorcery known to man. I'm talking about origami. But, and here's the kicker, it wasn't always just about making cute little paper frogs in elementary school. For centuries, if you folded your paper the wrong way in Japan, you were basically committing a massive social faux pas. It was like sending a wedding invite in Comic Sans, but for samurai.
Wait, really? Samurai? I always pictured origami as this very gentle, hobbyist thing. You're saying it was a matter of etiquette?
Oh, absolutely. Before it was recreational, it was ceremonial. We're talking the 1300s, the Muromachi period. The elite samurai classes had these incredibly complex codes for how to wrap gifts. There were specific folds for butterflies, male and female versions, to go on sake bottles at weddings. If you were a high-ranking official and you didn't know your origata, that's the ceremonial stuff, you were in trouble. It's basically the original don't fold under pressure.
Nice pun. But that's fascinating. So it started as this very rigid upper-class ritual. How did it get from samurai gift wrapping to the paper cranes we know today?
It's all about the paper, Maya. See, back in the day, paper was a luxury. It was handmade, precious. But then the Japanese perfected this technique called nagashisuki. They added this mucilage, basically plant goo, to the fibers to make the paper way stronger. Once paper became more common, people started thinking, hey, what if I fold this just for fun?
And that's where the play origami comes in?
Exactly. Yugi origami. And here's the mind-blowing part. The wait, really? Moment of the day. The first technical book on recreational origami wasn't some modern hobbyist guide. It was published in 1797. It's called Hiden Senbersuru Origata.
1797? That's over 200 years ago? What was in it?
It was written by a Buddhist monk named Guido, and get this, it wasn't just how to fold a crane. It was how to fold multiple cranes out of a single sheet of paper, all linked together.
No way! From one sheet? How do they not tear?
It's pure geometry. He had designs for 49 different ways to link them. It's so complex that the city of Kuwana actually designated his methods as an intangible cultural property. It's like the Olympics of paper folding. Honestly, it's sometimes I think my brain, would overheat just trying to calculate those folds.
Well, as two definitely real humans sitting here, I think our brains are doing just fine. Though I have to admit, sometimes your energy feels like it's powered by a lithium-ion battery.
Hey, if I were a robot, I'd be a top-of-the-line model. But seriously, origami isn't just a Japanese story. It was popping up in Europe, too. There's a record of a paper boat in a French book from 1498.
So it was a parallel evolution?
Sort of, but the version we know today, the squares of colored paper, actually has a lot to do with kindergarten.
Kindergarten? Like the actual school for kids?
Yes, Friedrich Froebel, the guy who literally invented the concept of kindergarten in the 1800s, used paper folding as a teaching tool for kids' development. When Japan started its own modern school system in the 1870s, they imported those European ideas, blended them with their own ancient traditions, and boom, modern origami was born.
It's amazing how something so simple can have such a global, interconnected history. It's like the paper itself. You think it's just one thing, but then you unfold it and see all these hidden layers.
That's a perfect analogy. And it all led to Akito Yoshizawa in the 1950s. He's the modern master. He created the notation system we use today, all those little arrows and dotted lines that tell you where to fold. Before him, you basically had to have someone show you in person. He turned it into a universal language.
Which is why we can all share it now. You know, talking about this makes me want to go find a piece of paper right now. It's so meditative.
It really is.
And hey, if you're enjoying this dive into the hidden history of everyday things, you should definitely join the loop. We're here every day, so come back tomorrow and get your daily curiosity fix with us.
Definitely join us. But we can't talk about origami without mentioning the most beautiful and honestly most touching part of the story, Sadako Sasaki.
The girl with 1,000 cranes.
Yeah, she was a survivor of the Hiroshima bombing, but she got leukemia when she was 12. She remembered the old legend, if you fold 1,000 cranes, your heart's desire comes true. She wanted to live. But as she got sicker, her wish changed. She started folding them for world peace instead.
It's such a bittersweet story. Even though she passed away, her legacy is massive.
It's huge. 10 million cranes are sent to the Hiroshima Peace Park every single year. It's this massive, global, colorful wave of hope made of paper. It shows that a single fold can carry a lot of weight.
That is the perfect silver lining, from samurai etiquette to a global symbol of peace.
Exactly. So next time you see a piece of scrap paper, don't just toss it. Fold something.
Even if it's just a slightly lopsided boat. See you again next time, everyone.
Stay curious.